Hi guys, I got this kitchen torch from Joe Chef. They come with 2 bottles of butane, so then you won't run out. Let's open the box and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the torch looks like. And here's the butane. Let's fill it up and test it out. Okay, it says to fill it. How to fill it is turn the knob all the way clockwise to turn it off, and put this all the way in off. And we're gonna drain the remaining air. So we just have this little part here, and we just push it in to make sure that it's empty. Okay, now we're gonna fill it. It just says turn it upside down and put the torch fuel in and push down for 5 seconds. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you need to keep doing it for 5 seconds at a time until it's full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can see the liquid in there. It says just to keep putting it in 5 seconds at a time until you get the liquid to the max mark. Okay, now I got it filled up to the maximum mark. You can see the liquid in there. Now you gotta wait 4 or 5 minutes, and then we will light it. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. So to turn it on, they say you're just gonna click down the safety switch, turn the valve until you hear gas, and then push the ignite button right here. And you can see it's very nice flame. You can even turn it up. Let's see how much it'll go. That's about as good as she'll go right there. If you guys need a torch, get this one. It'll work great for you.